Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix some black boxes on Windows desktop icon Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all, go to your folder, right click and go to your show more option and go to your properties. After opening that, go to your customization and go to your change icon. After that, selected the normal folder icon and click on OK and click on apply and OK button. After doing this step, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box, type out disk cleanup. So open disk cleanup, click continue, OK, and uncheck all these and make sure that only selected are thumbnails. So select the thumbnails, click on a OK button, click on delete files. Okay guys, after doing this that now restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.